Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating. TimeAlly Club is a premium circle for Eraswap community with various membership categories. TimeAlly Club members can earn up to 5% to 13% direct rewards based on the slabs achieved on TimeAlly products. The reward structure is subject to changes per plans in the future. TimeAlly Club eligibility. A. Active criteria. TimeAlly Club incentives are issued to active users with 100 DS usage on any platform for the particular month. The incentive is generated in the month incentives are going to be claimed. Users should be active before claiming TimeAlly Club incentives. B. All incentives on TimeAlly Club are 50% NES native and 50% NES stakes. C. Only direct incentives of KYC DApp and TimeAlly staking plans, 1 lifetimes, PET, and TS Gap, will come in TimeAlly Club. D. Membership level and total staking business in month is only applicable for 1 lifetime staking plans. PET, TS Copy, and KYC DApp incentives are the same for all members with any business volume as shown in the chart. Step 1. You can visit TimeAlly Club via logging into www.eraswap.life/dashboard. Step 2. Then click on TimeAlly Club logo, and you will be redirected to www.timeally.club. Step 3. Close pop-up window of TimeAlly Club membership chart. Step 4. Click on TimeAlly dashboard tab and you will be redirected DaySwappers page on www.dayswappers.com. Step 5. Then click on TimeAlly Club tab. Step 6. Click on TimeAlly dashboard button on screen. With these steps you will reach to TimeAlly Club dashboard in DaySwappers. How to withdraw TimeAlly Club incentives. Step 1. Click on Withdraw Incentive button. Step 2. You will see Withdraw Incentive pop-up window. Step 3. Select TimeAlly_manager and drop-down option to withdraw TimeAlly Club incentives of 1 LT plus kickdap or select Contract Scapitincenta_0.1 to withdraw TimeAlly Club incentives of Scap and PET. Step 4. Select Staking Contract option. Select Staking Contract from drop-down list of your contract addresses in which you wish to make withdrawal. Step 5. Select Month drop-down option. Choose the NRT month for which you want to withdraw of incentives. Step 6. In Select Type drop-down option, choose option to withdraw your ES portion in liquid, 0% is time limit, or WES, 100% is time limit, or restake, 125% is time limit, type you wish to withdraw out of 3 options. Step 7. Press Withdrawal button to withdraw. Here is your respective month's total withdrawal incentive amount. Your withdrawn incentive addition if any can be seen in respectively in your Eraswap Life wallet balance. Native VS and prepaid ES would have been added to your Eraswap Life wallet. Your withdrawn stakes from TimeAlly Club if any, and your newest time limit if any is now added in the staking contract you have selected for withdrawal. Let's have a quick look at other information available on TimeAlly Club. On My Volume and Direct Volume option you can see your current NRT month TimeAlly Club incentives earning accumulated from kickdap and stakings platforms. This incentive can be withdrawal post-released in next NRT month. Volume for the month shows all self-done volume of extrapolated from all dapps on ESP, counted for activization. You can see self-breakup of accrued TimeAlly Club incentives from kickdap, 1LT, Scap and PET. To see remaining incentives details on next page use the buttons given at the bottom of incentive list. Incentive rows may not follow a chronological order. To send invitation to new community members to join in your network copy, use our DaySwappers referral link invitation and to build your network on Eraswap network. These social media referral link buttons will work only if you are logged in on any of them at the time of sharing the link. Join TimeAlly Club today. Premium Club for premium members.